Meet the mini portable projector, small in size, but big in performance. Turn any wall into your personal cinema, whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or sharing memories with friends. Its crystal clear image, deep contrast, and powerful built-in sound make every moment feel cinematic, anytime, anywhere. Next up, the Smart 4K drone. Smooth, stable, and incredibly easy to fly. Capture breathtaking aerial shots and cinematic videos from angles you've never seen before. With intelligent flight control and long-range stability, this drone turns every adventure into a professional-looking film. Just lift off, explore, and let the camera do the magic. This 3-in-1 wireless charger is more than just a dock. It's a full smart station for your desk or nightstand. Charge your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once, while enjoying built-in Bluetooth speakers with clean sound and LED clock display. It's sleek, functional, and designed for people who like their setup to look as smart as it works. Inspired by the Tesla Cybertruck, this futuristic wireless charger redefines modern design. Sharp lines, metallic finish, and LED glow, all built around the latest fast-charging technology. Perfect for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Charge them all together in style, because your desk deserves to look as good as your tech. Here's something you'll love: the mini magnetic speaker. Despite its tiny size, it delivers impressive bass and crystal clear sound. Snap it to the back of your phone, take it to your car, your desk, or your next trip, and enjoy music wherever life takes you. A compact gadget with a surprisingly powerful personality. Bring the galaxy to your room with this astronaut projector. It fills your walls and ceiling with dreamy nebula lights, soft stars, and cosmic colors, all while playing your favorite songs through its Bluetooth speaker. It's not just decoration, it's a whole vibe. Perfect for relaxing, sleeping, or setting the mood for a chill night. Now, meet the Xiaomi D-Series drone, a perfect balance of fun, safety, and control. Built for beginners, yet stable enough for pros, it offers smooth takeoffs, precision hovering, and durable design. Lightweight, but powerful, it's the kind of drone that makes you want to fly every day, capturing, exploring, and creating wherever you go. This magnetic stand is your phone's new best friend. Minimal, foldable, and beautifully engineered with a strong magnet that keeps your phone in place at every angle. Use it for watching videos, video calls, or just keeping your phone ready on your desk. Compact, practical, and designed to move with you, from work to travel, and everything in between. And finally, the waterproof gadget organizer, designed to keep all your essentials, cables, chargers, earbuds, and accessories, perfectly organized and protected. Compact, stylish, and built for everyday use, it's the travel companion every tech lover needs. Stay neat, stay ready, and live smarter with Aspbrify.